Today I will do 달고나 밀크 아이스. 틀렸어. Wow, amazing. Wow. Wow. This black sugar is no normal black sugar. Refined sugar. Unrefined. This sugar is not black sugar. This unrefined. This black sugar is unrefined sugar. 되질 않아. 왜 그래? This black sugar is unrefined. 또 틀렸어? This unrefined sugar and water. That's it. Okay, already 2 hours. We look at very nice. And then we here. Hello, everybody. 안 돼. 왜 그래, everybody. Everybody. Hello, welcome. 안 돼. 오늘 왜 그럴까? 내가 안 돼. Today I will cook unrefined milk tea, black. And then one of my grandfather, 다시 해. grandfather. Sweet pumpkin. 아니, 내가 sweet potato라. Today I will cook tortilla. 잊어버렸어. Cheese tortilla wrap. Hello everybody, welcome to Babsi home cooking channel. I am Babsi. You know, 안녕하세요. Welcome to Babsi home cooking channel. Welcome to Babsi home cooking channel. This because of 다시 해야 되겠다. I didn't live. Garlic and onion and yes, like this. Welcome to Babsi home cooking channel. Welcome to Babsi home cooking channel. And we do this make. Sugar, salt, oil, and yes. Spread pancake, very surprise, like 다시 해야 되겠다. And I will intro. 안 돼. 왜 그래? 아니야. 그거 다 지워버려. Today I will make this green this pancake, green onion. 안녕하세요. 밥시 채널이에요. 오늘은 제가 그 파전 해지도 않는데. Today I will fry rice paper. Rice paper. 오. 너무 이상해 이거. 와우. Oh, egg. We don't need white. Only this yolk. Egg yolk. Thank you very much, everybody. I'm very much happy to meet again. Yes, thank you very much. Yes, I will start cooking.